Hi, I'm Eric Campbell with TrackDaze High Performance Driving, coming to you from VIR in Danville, Virginia. We're going to talk to you today about what to expect your first time at the track, how to get registered, what cars to bring, all those types of things. So the first thing you'll do is visit TrackDaze.com. It'll guide you through the registration process, collect the driver info, all of your pertinent information. You'll make payment. Once that's all completed, you'll receive a confirmation email with some of the event particulars. After that, as we get closer to the event, you'll receive the event packet via email. You can also download that and other information from the website directly, including videos like this to help guide you through the process. So once you get registered for the event, now we're going to talk about what kind of car to bring. The first thing is bring what you have. Start with something stock. From Kias to Corvettes, it doesn't matter. We're going to focus on teaching you how to be a better driver and improve your skills. Modifications to the car, also leave them to a minimum. Start with upgrading the brake fluid, the brake pads, and possibly some stickier tires. So once you've determined what vehicle you're going to bring to the track and you've mildly prepped it, you're going to want to get the vehicle tech inspected. There's a form that you have to download from the website. If you're a competent DIYer and comfortable in your own abilities, you can complete the form yourself. Whether it's you or a shop, we strongly recommend it be done by someone with strong mechanical aptitude and a thorough knowledge of the vehicle. All right, so now that you've got the car all prepped and ready to go, let's talk about a few things that you can do in preparation for arriving at the track that's going to give you the best experience possible. You and your vehicle are going to be subjected to stress levels, wear and tear that you've never experienced before. Here's a list of tools and equipment that we highly recommend you bring. Some of the things that'll help you and the car are extra fluids, water, coolant, brake fluid, motor oil. You're probably going to consume some of these things that you're not used to. Having to top your oil off, having to use a lot more fuel than you're used to are things that most people don't expect, but is going to happen. All right, so now you've got your registration done, you've got the car tech, you've got your little toolkit. Let's talk about what happens when you get to the track. The first thing, make sure you're prepared. Don't be that guy. Have the form filled out. Make sure your name's on it. We have a lot of cars to get through tech. Show up on time. Don't be late. So now that you're at the track early, find the tech line. We do a process called techistration. We tech your vehicle, register you, give you your wristbands, all the information you need to get on track all at the same time. Find that line, get in line, see what others are doing. If you're not sure, ask. Somebody will be happy to point you in the right direction. Once you've found the line, make sure your helmet and tech form are all set and ready to go. Your helmet needs to be Snell approved. If you're not sure, check TrackDaze.com to make sure it meets the latest requirements. So during the registration process, you will choose a car number that you'll run during the event. This is how we identify you and communicate when you're on track. Those car numbers need to be clear and visible, preferably a contrasting color on the side of the vehicle. Usually about 8 to 10 inches tall, makes it so that the corner workers can easily and quickly identify you at speed. Let's talk about safety equipment. First, the driver and passenger side of the vehicle must be equipped the same. You can't have racing harnesses and a racing seat on the driver's side and then expect your instructor to hop into a stock seat and regular seat belts. As far as upgrading that equipment goes, unless you're going with a roll bar and 5-point harnesses at a minimum, we strongly encourage you to stick with your factory design OEM safety equipment. Your airbags and stock seat belts are more than adequate and are designed to work together in the event of a crash. So there's a little bit about how to prepare for your first event and maximize the fun that you can have. I'm Eric with TrackDaze. We'll see you at the track.